doing. I know it's been a long time since y'all even seen my face on YouTube, man, and it's a lot I have to explain for that. You know, there's a lot going on right now. Everybody knows the whole COVID-19 situation, the Black Lives Matter situation. Everybody is protesting right now. And y'all know my city, Atlanta, as of last night, another black person got killed by 2 officers trying to run away. And it's a lot going on right now, man. I've just been trying to stay blessed up, spend time with family, work hard, stack my bread, and just, you know, make it. I'm a normal human being just like y'all, man. So I just been trying to stay prayed up, man. It's a lot going on. I just kind of took time away from YouTube and got myself together, got my family together. I'm actually vegan now. Well, technically pescatarian, technically right now, because it's still all the vegan stores still trying to open up and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna call myself vegan though, and that's where I'm at right now. Nice little stand right there. Speaking of staying, I am in B. We're actually about to meet up. I'm gonna meet up my homie Reese. He has a GT350, and it's a lot more I have to explain, man. I know, like I said, I know y'all wanna know where I've been, how everything going, and just how I am in spirits. I want to know how y'all doing in spirits. Hopefully everybody blessed up. Hopefully everybody having a blessed day. And there's some music right now, so I'm gonna get right back with y'all. Baby, we're finna link up with Reese. We got the GT350, so y'all stay tuned, man. Okay. Just leaned up with Reese, y'all. This GT350, man. Oh my goodness, bro. Do y'all see this? Look at the stripes on it, bro. The black with the blue stripes, the dark blue stripes. You got a lot of carbon fiber trims on it. Of course, Shelby rims, GT350. He said he literally just changed the shifter knob so it can match the car.
Yeah, what's up, man? Maurice, owner of the GT350, 2016 track pack, suspension mods, power stock. Still got a warranty on it because of the fact that I bought it CPO. 3 years old. Well, I've had it 3 years on the 17th of June. Has about 23,000 miles on it. So, it's fun. It's a toy.
A very good toy. You want to shout out Instagram or anything like that?
Nah, I don't have it.
Yeah, you don't want to do none of that?
Just my sons. You know, I have 2 sons, 23 and 25.
Okay.
One just graduated from Clayton State with a degree in psychology.
Oh, congratulations, Pops. Okay, that's major right there. That's major.
Kappa Alpha Psi.
Okay. Okay.
Since 2018, and another one, the oldest is 25, graduate of Kennesaw.
That's good, man. That's great.
Proud of my sons.
Yeah, it starts somewhere though. It starts from the root, you know what I mean? You got to go down, so that's major right there.
Yeah.
And hopefully they can get something like this one day, you know?
My oldest son has the first one.
Oh, word?
2000 Mustang, 2001. He has that. I can win lotto tomorrow. He'll keep that, and one of them's gonna get this.
Ooh. So what you gonna do when you?
I don't know. You know, I'm honestly looking at, because I'm in my early 50s now, probably looking at LC500.
Okay.
This is LC500.
Okay, that thing nice. That thing huge too.
But until my knee goes out.
Hey, I feel you on that. And you said you thinking about purchasing the new steering wheel with the shift lights on it.
Yeah,
and
so the LED carbon fiber LED steering wheel. Stitching is going to be blue, the same color as the stripe on the car.
So they let you customize all that. Ooh.
So this particular stripe is only a 2016 stripe color, deep impact blue.
Yeah.
It's only made 96.
Cause I was about to say, you don't see this color combination. I see the white one with the blue stripes all the time. Like, you don't see this combination from a Shelby. Like, you might be the only one in Georgia with this.
Actually, there's another guy in Conyers with the same color car.
Oh, damn.
A friend of mine called me and said, Reese, I just saw your Best Buy. I was like, I've been at home.
I've been at home. That wasn't me.
Getting the steering wheel with the same color as this chip ball. And what I did was doing some different stuff. I'm going to do the center console in Alcantara. So I'm going to get that done. And the shift boot. I pick out a couple things during the year that I want to do. You know, that are in budget. Do them and that's it. You know, because if you try to do too many things, you wind up getting yourself in trouble.
Fine, you.
How you doing?
Nice, right?
Appreciate it. Thanks.
See, I don't get that.
You start yours.
I don't get.
How many gears? Six?
Six feet.
I don't get that. Y'all see the difference? He's like, yeah, it's basic over there. This right here, this the man.
Thank you. My driveway. So the full performance
What?
actually work for me.
Look how low. This is not real. Oh, but look how low this thing is in the front. I didn't even I seen it, but I ain't see it. Hey, bro.
What's going on?
You see this camera, so you know you're on the vlog, right?
Yeah, what's up? What's going on? Who did that? Who did that? You did that?
Shout out to Reese, man. Reese, he actually said we could probably get a drive in it, and he'll probably take me for a spin. I don't think he's gonna let me drive it, but I could ride in it, man. So I to be honest, I never drove inside of a GT350 at all, you know. So that'll be an incredible experience, especially one that looked this good. And it said there's only like 95 variations of this color, because every year they kind of change the type of blue you can get. And this thing is just like nasty. Like, I'm not sure the camera is doing it justice, y'all, but this thing is nasty. So we're actually gonna link up with Spencer. Y'all seen Spencer before. He has the drop top GT Mustang GT convertible. So we're actually gonna link up with him. He's actually on the way now, and Reese is gonna go grab some food. I'm gonna link up with Spencer, and we all gonna meet up again to the end of the video, because I really want to elaborate what's going on with myself, and I want to speak on what's going on with the world right now. It's a lot going on, and I definitely got my opinion on it. So y'all stay tuned to the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Reese is actually, oh man, that active exhaust. Oh, that active exhaust. That's one thing I wish I had, active exhaust. I'm loud all the way. My gosh. Oh. He talking about he wanted louder. Oh my goodness. Oh, his horn louder. Oh.
What's going on?
What's up?
So, yeah, on the way it was like 13, 14 Shelby. I was like, man, what that thing talking about? So I got gone. Smoked that nigga.
You smoked them? The Shelby?
Smoked him, yeah.
Ooh!
So, when I seen him shifting,
What color was it?
it was like silver.
Ooh.
Silver, it had like the wide body kit, had like another spoiler on the back. It was nice.
Okay.
That thing was slow. That tastes good, that's what I'm talking about, bro.
Oh, I told you. While we getting gas over there, we got a Trackhawk and a Hellcat, and I'm getting E85. It feel weird getting gas, man, having a Tesla. So
Oh, wow. I forgot about that, yeah.
I probably fill up like once a month, like, cause I barely drive this car anyway. So
Like twice a week, bro. You got it made.
shit.
Thing don't play.
Would y'all get the GT350, or would y'all go twin turbo Stang or drop top 18 with the 10 speed? These some three nasty cars, man.
You think so?
Yeah, 10 speed over there. You got the ultimate Shelby right here. Like, good morning, good afternoon. Today I'm actually headed to Summit Racing, and I have to pick up some things, man. I need to buy 2 new air filters for the turbos, and also I need some tires. So drop a comment on the suggestion of tires you think I should purchase. I'm thinking about going with the ones I have now, the Nittos Type R's, the 305s, and they did pretty good for me, so I'm thinking about going back with those. Possibly mount them on today. This thing sounds crazy. I don't know if y'all hear that? Oh my goodness. But yeah, probably get them mounted today, and we gotta head to the track. It's supposed to be some people out there racing and stuff today, so we're gonna head out there. Crazy part, this MT82 sucks so bad. And just pull a little train. like polar trends, man. Like, but yeah, man. So that's the agenda for the day, and hopefully we can, you know, get some good footage, get some good content, man. So y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I love y'all. I'm thankful to be back on the camera, and I'm very thankful for you to be watching on the other end. So thank you for supporting me through hard times, through this whole corona, through this whole pandemic. Like I said, y'all know I live in Atlanta, Georgia, so it's a lot going on. Somebody just got killed the other day, so yeah, it's a lot going on, man. So fight for what you believe in, and everybody stay strong and safe out here, man. So that's it. I'll be right back. I'm finna finish doing this, and I'll get back with y'all, man. You mind telling me where we at, sir?
We're at Summer Racing in McDonough, Georgia.
Okay, where we getting?
You're getting.
You bought a supercharger. You bought a supercharger, bro. Why you? What you looking for?
Who are you talking to?
You.
Whoa, what? Excuse me? Not yet.
You didn't buy a supercharger.
Nah, not yet. That's the end of 2021.
I'll tell you what though, this lighting right here, you gonna love it.
I look good.
You gonna? Well, I ain't say you look good and all, but you gonna love it.
Appreciate it.
You
Something like this. Beautiful. You just come in some photo shoot. It's beautiful here.
He was gonna buy something today though, but they don't have it in stock.
Alright. Supercharger though? That's kind of extreme, bro. I don't know about that. That's supercharger?
Alright, if that's the stream, what's your plan for next year?
That's supercharger.
Alright.
That's next year. Come on now. That's next year. 2021 supercharger on the converter.
Oh. Yeah, I had to get these air filters, bro, and I'm gonna get these tires. I want to get these tires today. I might come back and get them. I got some goodies. Goodies. I got some goodies. Hey, Reese. This man bought a supercharger.
Come on. Come on.
They gotta deliver it. That man bought a supercharger, man. Ah, that boy too cool, man. That bit loud. That bit sound good though. Pulling up to the Trinidad. I'm in the whip like a dinner or a manon. I might be a bum, but you know I'm from the Shlunong. Hey. Appreciate you sliding, man. Call we have made it. If y'all are familiar with Georgia, we are at Silver Dollar. It's actually an import type of day, so it's gonna be a lot of import vehicles here today. But y'all seen who we roll with. We roll with a Performance Pack GT. This one is a 2019. This is a Shelby, I believe it's a 16. This is a 19. And that was the crew. So y'all see there's a lot of imports out here, and we're gonna have a good day, man. Just try to get some footage. Copyright. I see, man. Import day. Boy, I got a little some of everything got you for you. Y'all drop a comment if y'all want me to get an import type of vehicle, man. I feel like it'd be fun to work on. It's a lot of space in there. It's easy to work on. Would you buy import?
No, it depends.
Would you buy import?
It depends. Yeah, I'm American.
Yeah?
I mean, like a race or just a drive?
Either or.
Oh yeah, daily drive. You mean like Japanese? Talking about German?
Either or.
I buy German, but I don't know about Japanese.
Like a BMW?
Yeah, a Mercedes. Like I want an AMG GT. But
I'm looking at a LS460.
Like, what y'all think about this, like, for the channel, man? Like, I grab something like this, to be honest. GTR's out here, Scat Pack right here. I was so good at GTR, bro. Oh, damn. Oh.
And Ohio City is 1276.
He on the ground right there. He good.
The driver's up on the speed.
That might blow. Yeah, go.
Everybody stay back, please. Everybody stay back. Let's back up from the fence just a little bit. Everybody down below the tower here needs to move away right now. Hey, everybody below the tower, let's make room. Let's make room. Back it up.
Lemonade.
Let's all stay back. Make sure that we leave plenty of room for the safety crew.
Hey, I got to see him do a burnout first. Hold on. Let me see.
Take drivers to your cars, please. Too fast. Gee, that's the craziest mail wagon I've ever seen. Left hand lane, Alberto Sullivan from Villa Rica, Georgia. I told you she was wrong. Holy smokes, a one-wheel wheel stand. How about that, ladies and gentlemen?
Hey! What? Oh my God! What?
1288 for the Honda Civic.
What?
1587.
What? Oh shit! Wheelie! What? Oh! What? Hold on, nephew. Hold on. He put that much power down, bro.
If you have made it to the end of this video, I greatly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Like I said earlier in the video, a little glimpse of it. That it's a lot going on right now. I wish everybody and hope everybody stays safe, man. Seriously, it's a lot going on right now. You know what I mean? So everybody stay safe out there, and I promise y'all to deliver more videos. I actually have a huge surprise for y'all. I'm filming it tomorrow. Today is actually Sunday, Father's Day, the 21st. So I'm actually filming the video tomorrow or either Tuesday, and we back on the road. That's all I'm gonna say. But I definitely took a time off, and I'm thankful for everybody that's watching this video today and staying with me, y'all. But it's a lot going on, and I just took time away, y'all. So I greatly appreciate y'all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We back on the road with a new channel car. So if you made it to the end, you already know what the next video is. It's a new channel car. Gotta pop them out. Gotta roll out the new whips. Y'all know how we do. But stay tuned for the next video. New channel car. And yes, sir. We lit.
I came up on Clayco. I blew up on Clayco. I came up.